SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional 2024 received some significant updates this year and remains one of the easiest and most streamlined tools to render your designs. Appearances are more powerful than ever. The manipulator gets new capabilities, and exporting renders is now aided by a wizard with custom presets. These improvements will help speed up your workflow and help turn you into a rendering hero. Appearances are fundamental to creating believable photorealistic renderings, which is why the format has been completely overhauled with an all-new DSPBR type model. This super appearance gives you the flexibility to combine all appearance properties in one type. The format is positioned to become the standard for communicating appearance data across all DS products. DSPBR was designed with texture usage in mind, and adding them is as simple as drag and drop. Need to apply multiple textures to your appearance? No problem. Visualize understands common naming conventions and auto-loads bulk textures into the correct sections for instant appearance setup. If your textures don't make any sense in their names, they can simply be added one by one to the correct slots. And of course, full texture control is still preset, and some additional tools like tint and other basic image manipulation that allow fine-tuning on the fly. Setting up the scene and moving parts around can be one of the more tedious tasks of rendering. 2024 drastically reduces this time with a revised manipulator. It's very similar to the original, but offers a much cleaner experience. The manipulator now highlights when your cursor is over one of its many options, making it clear what you're about to change. The scale tool has been integrated as well, so you can do it all at once. Translate, scale, and rotation in any direction with one simplified dynamic tool. Not only has the manipulator been optimized for selection, it also has been enhanced with keyboard shortcuts. Translate, rotate, and scale can be launched with G, R, and E respectively. Each mode can then be limited to X, Y, and Z directions with a second sequential command. For example, G then Z will move your selection only in the global Z axis. This makes moving objects incredibly fast, especially when you have several items to move. Planar moves can be done by removing the undesired axis using Shift. So G, then Shift Z will limit the move to the XY plane. Even more handy, double tapping the direction key will switch to the selected location's axis instead of the global axis. Even while moving or rotating along the global axis, a second tap in the same direction key will switch to the local axis. Now that's fast. Rendering output is the goal of Visualize, and the output window has received a wizard-style facelift to provide only the necessary information for your chosen type. With convenient options like customized presets, controls to select cameras or configurations, and even model sets, the wizard helps prevent simple selection mistakes that could take hours depending on your hardware. More complex outputs have been simplified as well. Interactive images can now use animation frames, which makes your creative content even more appealing. The output viewer has also been enhanced to preview interactive images right within the viewer, as well as exported for playback on 3D Swim. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional 2024 is now easier than ever and will help you become a rendering hero, making your amazing products stand out in the world faster.